How to create live chatbot with Landbot. So first go to your account and then just click on bot builder here at the top left, and then just open up one of your bots, or you can just build a new chatbot. So I'll just open up one of my bots. Okay, now from here, so in order for you to make it live, or let's say in order for you to add your agent here to take over the chat, you can just click on the arrow here at the last one, and then search for human take over. Okay, like this one, and then just select any of your agents and then just click on apply, and there you go. Now your agent will take over once, let's say, this bot first asks for name, email, and then phone, and then if the user clicks any of the buttons here, then it would say something like this: awesome, thank you, a member of our team will reach out to you shortly. That's why I use the last block here to do the human takeover, since the agent will take over at the last block. Okay, so that's it, and then you can just publish this and it's done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.